Here's the CVP analysis two-factor table. So on the left-hand side of the worksheet are the assumptions to create the profit formula. There's the price, there's the fixed cost of $10,000, the variable cost of 100, and the volume of 25. So what I want to do is I want to see what the profit would be by varying the price and varying the variable costs. The formula for profit is put in the upper left-hand corner of the table here. So if you look up in the formula bar, you can see the formula on how to calculate profit. Across the row are the various prices I want to look at in the scenario. And down the column on the left-hand side of the table are the variable costs I want to look at in this analysis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate the data table here. So I'll delete off all the data to show you how this is being done. And I'm going to highlight the table here. So the structure of the table is formula in the upper left-hand corner, a row of data, a column of data. Go up to data in your formula bar or in your menus, go to what if analysis, and that's where they've hidden data table. So it says, okay, in the row of data that's at the top of this table, which cell in the assumptions do I vary to calculate the profit? So I say, okay, the price is cell B3. So that's the cell we'll be replacing with those values. Then it says, what's the assumption that we'll be using this column of data to replace values with? And so that's our variable costs, which are in B5. So there we have it. We're going to be varying our prices in the row input cell, and we're going to be replacing our variable costs in the column input cell, and click OK. And voila, there you have a full table of data there. Now you could have created formulas in each of these rows and used the dollar signs in the formulas to set absolute values and drag rows around and drag the formulas around. But it's much faster just to set up some values and create the data table this way.